Hi everyone, this is RUSKIN FELIX. Thank you so much for joining in. Today we're going to be discussing SharekeyX, the platform that I have been building. Now, just to give it a brief and what we're going to do over the course of the next 90 days. SharekeyX is essentially a tool for AI-enabled financial analysis. It helps in event analysis, prediction analytics, as well as understanding financial products and being able to project and being able to assess markets, both India, US, globally, essentially. Now, in terms of the app, some of the things that I want to give in terms of how we are right now or where we are placed right now is obviously the web app is done. A lot of the backend integration, the coding is done. So obviously, I'm not going to be going through a lot of the details from the AI development and some parts of the development. But one interesting aspect is that obviously when we're going through everything, you're going to be able to see how we have connected, for example, the database, how we are basically coding on the front end through Node.js and Express, as well as creating, for example, the React Native web app, mobile app as well for anyone to use. So that mobile app is under development, and that we have to essentially go through and we have to build that out as well, most probably within the next 10-20 days. Today is 24th October. Also, to give you a background in terms of how or what I am and my introduction, obviously I have experience of running RFC, which is a consulting firm into strategy, private equity, finance, all of that. And I have a couple of charters in finance, but honestly, I have no experience in coding. I started coding back in end of May, and it's been about 5 months now. And it's been a journey because I know nothing about coding and I'm being able to learn. So I think I'm going to be recording and having this journey recorded as well, so that other people can actually learn through some of the mistakes that I create, because I'm going to be creating a lot of them. And so that's kind of the overall gist of it. Now, another aspect that I want to take you through beyond building the app, building the web app, and correcting the issues that are there in the web app as well. I'm the only coder. I'm going to be doing it individually. Currently, there are about 88,000 lines of code. I've written that. So it's good. It's interesting, but I still have to work on a lot more and a lot more aspects. So that's something that I need to do. Now, another aspect is marketing, for which all of you are here. And what I wanted to say is that, see, most of my money is now gone in building out the app, building out the tech aspects of the app, and then essentially making sure that the app runs. Now, obviously, in this scenario, one another aspect that happens is that the marketing cost for fintech apps and web apps and AI apps is extremely high. Now, we have not raised capital till now. I'll take you through that journey in one of our videos as well, in terms of how we were actually planning to structure it and then how we ended up structuring it. And now in terms of finance, where we are at in terms of raising capital. So that is something that we will be looking at. And obviously, that's something that we'll be talking with you guys as well. So this thing is not going to be just programming. It's going to be programming, running a business, and marketing for it and getting users on the platform. I don't really know if that's possible right now. But yeah, what we're going to be doing is a zero marketing ad cost. So that means that we're going to be running this app and running this complete platform without any marketing cost upfront. Obviously, if someone subscribes and we have some kind of revenue coming in, we are able to then use that revenue to build further, I would say, acquisition of customers. But upfront, there will be no cost. Now, this poses a challenge because the fact is that the ad cost or the acquisition cost in fintech apps is usually in the range in INR. I'm saying it's about 150 to 200 bucks. Now, 200 rupees. That's about $2 to $3. Now, without that cost, and that's actually, I'm saying on a very lower scale, to be honest, it's much higher. It would be about that, twice or thrice of that. So now we need to make sure that through organic, I would say, content generation, number one. Number two, through organic traffic generation and traffic management, we need people on the platform. And this is what the 90-day journey will be. For anyone who does not have the experience of getting people on board, even if they have an idea, this is what will be essentially going through. And to be honest, I take no responsibility. I have experience in running businesses and making sure these businesses are successful. A lot of them RFC engine investments in the past, and so I have the experience for doing it. But this is a totally different ball game altogether, and there's a lot that I have to do as well, and I'll take you through that journey. We are going to be posting 90 days, I would say, continuously, and so hopefully this happens. The zero ad marketing cost for a SaaS platform is the challenge I'm taking up. I don't know how it will be happening. We have a basic website. Not a basic website. We have quite detailed website, a very well done app as well. So a lot of the structure is created. Now, what we will be going through in the next video as well is basically going through the current website, understanding what can be done at a zero cost level, and obviously on the app level, fixing all the issues and taking care of all the issues that are there. So I think these are some of the things that I want to be looking at. Obviously, some of the conditions are you cannot use your own money. If someone subscribes, obviously you can use that money. You obviously have some initial tools for doing this. So for example, it's 2024. A lot of the content generation can happen through AI. Obviously, I will have access to Claude, ChatGPT, a lot of these engines as well, because I already have paid subscription to them. I hope I do have Adobe and OBS Studio, so I hope I can actually edit videos, and I have a lot of experience in doing that, so that part will be taken care of. And obviously a couple of other tools which we'll be going on and discussing later on. But these are some of the tools that we're going to use, and I'm going to take you through what has been done and what will be done in the future series. So stay tuned. There's a lot that's going to happen. I'm not really sure how we're going to do it. This is really hard, but I need help, and obviously I'm always open to any suggestions on the comments or in the comments, because I think I would be needing that. So yeah, thank you so much. Come and join this journey, and I think I can do it. Let's see if people and God and the world really allows me to. So yeah, take care. Bye bye. See you.